Great news! Now Microsoft Copilot becomes available in Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, etc. at $3 per month, which we used to pay $20 per month. Is this really great news? Initially, I was very excited about this reduction from $20 to $3 per month, but after looking into the detail, I became very disappointed. Yesterday, I was delivering Excel on-site training at a company for the whole day. In the morning, my Excel was working fine as usual, nothing special. But in the afternoon, I noticed wherever I click, I would see this Copilot icon appear at wherever my cursor is. When I click on the Copilot icon, I will see those AI suggested questions. And when I check my Home tab in the ribbon, I also see the Copilot icon appear in the ribbon, which I didn't see that yesterday morning. So somehow the Copilot appeared in my Excel application automatically. When I click on the Copilot icon over here, I will have a side pane with those AI suggested questions too. And you need to know that in the recent few months, I did not subscribe to Microsoft Copilot Pro. In the past 1 year, certain months I did subscribe, but some months I did not subscribe to the Copilot Pro. So I shouldn't have the Copilot appear on my Excel because I'm not paying for that. Later, I got a notification indicating my Microsoft 365 is enhanced with Microsoft Copilot. So am I getting the Copilot for free, which I used to pay $20 a month? It turned out that yesterday, on January 16, 2025, Microsoft did announce Copilot is now included in Microsoft 365 Personal and Family Plan. So Microsoft is bringing Microsoft Copilot. Notice this says Microsoft Copilot, not Microsoft Copilot Pro. So they're bringing Microsoft Copilot to Microsoft 365 Personal and Family subscribers in most markets worldwide. Since I am a Microsoft 365 Family subscriber, that's why I was getting the Copilot yesterday in my Excel automatically. Now, does this mean for people who already subscribe to Microsoft 365 Personal and Family, they will get the Microsoft Copilot for free? No, as Microsoft add Copilot into the Office 365 app, they're also increasing the prices of Microsoft 365 Personal and Family Plan by $3 per month. For existing subscribers, they won't experience the price increase until the next renewal. By paying $3 more per month in our Microsoft 365 Personal and Family Plan, we are now getting Microsoft Copilot included in our Office app. This sounds a pretty good deal because we used to pay $20 per month to have the Copilot. However, that's not the whole story. Microsoft says for those who frequently use Copilot can upgrade to Copilot Pro without worrying about usage limit. What does this mean? What is the usage limit? So if you learn more about AI credits measure your use of AI features within Microsoft 365 and Windows applications. Each action involving AI, such as generating text or creating a table or editing an image, counts as 1 credit. For example, asking Copilot to summarize my inbox could cost 1 AI credit. So how many AI credits do we have? For Microsoft 365 Personal and Family subscribers, we get 60 AI credits per month, which can be used across various applications including Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, Forms, etc. But 60 AI credits is nothing. You could easily use 60 AI credits in one single day. And here it says Copilot Pro subscribers receive extensive usage of AI features. So that means for people who seriously need to use AI, you cannot rely on Microsoft Copilot. You have to use Copilot Pro to truly use the AI. And also notice, AI benefits are only available to the subscription owner and cannot be shared with additional Microsoft 365 family members. Like I have Microsoft 365 Family Plan, which I can share with 6 people in total, but only me as the owner of the subscription can have the Copilot. And the other people I share with, they cannot have the Copilot. So saying this, I am very disappointed because having the Copilot in my Excel or Word Outlook, I can only use 60 credits per month, which is almost nothing. You cannot get anything meaningful done with the 60 AI credits in 1 month. So we're paying $3 extra for nothing. And if you really want to use Copilot extensively, you still have to pay the $20 per month to upgrade to Copilot Pro. So are you happy? Are you excited? Or are you disappointed with the new Microsoft announcement? Yesterday, when I saw the Microsoft Copilot icon appear in my Excel automatically, I was cautiously optimistic. I thought I might get the Copilot for free within my 365 subscription. After reading the announcement, I realized I need to pay $3 more each month to have the Copilot available. I was happy and excited because I used to pay $20 each month to have the Copilot within my Excel. However, after I found out with this plan, I only get 60 AI credits to use each month, which I can easily use up in less than 1 day. I was very disappointed because I'm paying $3 more each month for virtually nothing. You cannot really use the 60 AI credits to do any meaningful work. By the way, for people who do not want to pay the $3 more and not wanting to have the Copilot, they can remain in the Personal Classic or Family Classic plan to not to pay $3 more and not having the Copilot. If you find this video valuable, please give it a thumb up and subscribe to my channel. I will keep you up to date on the Microsoft Copilot development. Thank you.